Hello and welcome to this Java tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing how to use relational operators in Java. Firstly, what are relational operators? Relational operators are used to compare two values and return a Boolean value. This Boolean value can then be used in decision-making statements such as if-else statements and loops. There are 6 relational operators in Java. Equality, inequality, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let's take a look at some examples of how to use these operators. First, let's look at the equality operator. Next, the inequality operator. Now, the greater than operator. Next, the less than operator. Now, the greater than or equal to operator. Finally, the less than or equal to operator. That's it for this tutorial on using relational operators in Java. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding!